Good morning, dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. So, in the last class, we have discussed about the Paleolithic age, life of the peoples, how the hunters and food gatherers, what are the tools they were using, and also what is the food habits and discovery of the fire we have discussed in the last class. So, today let us discuss about the earliest society's art. As we know that in the Paleolithic age, the peoples were discovered the fire. So when they discovered the fire, this fire increased the activity of the peoples because it provided the light. It provided the light, and during this time, so when the people have the enough time, so the people were used or began to paint the sense of the huntings and wild animals. And the cave paintings, such as the cave paintings, see, this is the cave paintings. The cave paintings have been found in the different parts of the world. The cave paintings have been found in the different parts of the world. Then what they were used to make the painting? They were used the charcoal to do the wall painting. And what are the wall painting have been found in India and as well as in the different parts of the world. So even today they are survive, and these paintings give us lot of information about the early man's. Understood. And rock painting shows that development artistic development of the early man's artistic development of the early man. So first they draw the outline map. Over a period of time they were filled with their sense, and for what reason they draw art. The early man was used the art of painting. The early man was used the art of painting to communicate their feelings and emotions. To communicate their feelings and emotions. Understood? So because that people were doesn't know to read and write, doesn't know to read and write. Because of this reason, so the early mans were used the art of painting for communicate and express their emotions. In India, where the rock painting have been found. So in India, the rock painting have been found in the Bhimbedka in Madhya Pradesh, Adhamgarh, Ahmedabad, and Mirzapur. In these places, the rock painting have been found. You have to see this map because it may be come for the exam. So you have to see the map work. Ahmedabad, Bhimbedka, Adhamgarh, and Mirzapur. So in these places, the cave painting have been found. Understood? And even in the different parts of the world also, the cave painting have been found. And the Paleolithic settlements, where the Paleolithic peoples were settled. The Paleolithic peoples settlements, most of the Paleolithic settlements have been found along the river banks or lakes. Why they settled along the river banks or lakes? Because this provide the water for this provide the water, means because of the source of water. And not only the river banks, and some sites also have been found the where areas where the good qualities of the stones are available, because the because because they use the stone to make the tools. So because where the area where the good qualities of the stones are available, so these sites were earlier man made the tools. In these sites the earlier man was made the tools. They were called the factory site. Understood? So the earlier man in the Paleolithic age, the peoples were lived along the river banks because of the source of water. And some sites have been found where the good qualities of the stones available. And so this in these sites, the peoples were made the tools from the stone. These sites are called a factory sites. And the early mans were lived in a group. Why the early mans were lived in a group? Because to protect secure, because of the security and protection. and so he could be hunt better and gather more food. See here many of the students were together were hunting the animals. The early mans in the Paleolithic age, the early mans were lived in a group. Why they are lived in a group? Because it gave them protection. It gave them protection and security from the wild animals. And secondly, he also can hunt the animals. He can also better hunt better and gather more food. See here they were hunted the animals, and here they gather the food. Understood? And there must be there is a must be a sense of equality, because there is a sense of equality. All are equal because they are hunting together and gathering food, because there is no idea of the private property. Understood? So because of this reason, so their entire group was involved in hunting and gathering the food. Understood? So in the next class, let us discuss about the Mesolithic age.